Share a cart is now available for Shopify. Share a cart is a platform allowing users to share their complete carts with a link that will load the same items into the cart of the person who clicks on it across a broad range of vendors. Let's try a scenario. Say I'm a fashion influencer who came upon your store and loved several items together as a look that I now want to share with my followers. First, I'll add the items I like to my own cart. Now I'll click the shiny Share Cart button and get a magic link. This link can be shared on social media, in a blog post, in an email, and so on. I will use a different browser to show you what the user will see. First, they'll load the link and be taken to the Share a Cart page with a preview of the cart they're about to purchase. They will click Continue to proceed and be taken directly to your store with those items already in the cart ready for checkout. Super easy. Share a Cart drives sales by making it effortless to share any number of items from your store seamlessly to the shopper's cart ready for purchase.